Stanford University.
What happened that caused this to be the epicenter of technology for the world? It's a special culture of innovation that we've inbred here. When you leave today, you'll know why that happened and what the secret sauce is for this.
I'm Peter Stansky. I'm the co-chair of the program committee of the Stanford Historical Society. And on behalf of the Stanford Historical Society, I'd like to welcome not only our members, but the guests who've come to hear this exciting talk. You have the basic information there, the title and the speaker, but I'll elaborate a little on his, if I may, on his background. Paul Westling received his Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and his Master of Sciences in Materials Science from this very university. Following assignments of various jobs, he joined Tandem Computers in Cupertino, which is now part of Hewlett-Packard, in 1985. Paul retired from Hewlett-Packard in 2001 and then served for 10 years as the communications director for the San Francisco Bay Area Council. As vice president of publications from 1985 through 2008, he supervised 4 archival journals and a newsletter. He is a fellow of the Institute and receives the Institute's Centennial Medal, the Board of Distinguished Service Award, the Society Contribution Award, and the Institute's Third Millennial Medal. Quite terrific. He has organized over 500 courses for the local Institute chapter in Santa Clara Valley, and many of them held at this university and more recently at Silicon Valley Company facilities. So we're very, very pleased that he's here today to talk to us, the origins of Silicon Valley, why and how it happened here. My pleasure.
Well, I want to welcome all of you here on this beautiful afternoon. I'm pleased you're spending it with me here to hear a little bit about what happened that caused this to be the epicenter of technology for the world. It's a rather interesting story. It goes way back, which I like to do. I'm going to start with a tale that we're all fairly familiar with, and that's the Homebrew Computer Club. A classic Silicon Valley story from 1976. A bunch of hobbyists that were meeting in Menlo Park and then moved to Slack to meet there monthly. Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs got together. Wozniak had this great idea. He could take this 6502 microprocessor